Let's make today the authentic Lebanese lemonade. It's cold, refreshing, and very easy to make. Start with 1 kilogram of lemon, including 1 green lemon. We will wash all the lemons very well. Now we will grate each lemon. The zest will give us a stronger flavor in the lemonade. Now cut all the lemons this way. Put the lemons in a large bowl. Now add the zest to the lemons. Add 1 cup of sugar. And now mix them well and press with your hands like this. You will see all the juice coming out from the lemons, and the sugar is melting with it. Also, the oil from the zest will appear with a strong smell and strong flavor in the lemonade. After a few minutes from mixing, all the lemon juice is out. Now cover it and put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Now it's out from the fridge, you have to add 4 cups of water and 2 tablespoons of orange blossom water. Mix them very well with a spoon to make sure all the ingredients are mixed. And you can use your hand to make sure all the juice is out. Now your Lebanese lemonade is ready. All you have to do is drain it first and then you can enjoy it. This is the quantity that I got with 1 kilogram of lemon. Make sure to serve it very cold, and also it's very delicious when it's frozen. I will add some ice cubes and some cold lemonade, and I will enjoy this cup of authentic Lebanese lemonade. Try it and let me know your opinion, and of course you will like it inshallah. صحتين وهنا.